Man, what the fuck is the world coming to? Full of fake bitches that try to act cool. People shooting people, even shooting up schools, then others shooting up what they heat up on a spoon. I'd rather spend my days sitting in my room than dealing with this drama like I'm at high school. Judging ass bitches that just look at your past. Throwing deuces, y'all can kiss my ass. People claim to be your friends when you got cash, but even then they still talk shit behind your back. If you about that life, I don't need that. I'd rather steer clear and stay on the right path. I ain't dissing no one trying to call y'all trash, but what y'all doing is making your own red bad. I said I ain't dissing no one, I ain't trying to make y'all mad, but I sure am glad I never touched that. This crazy ass world is going insane. People trying to cover up all the pain by breaking out of line of some cocaine, by sticking needles into the vein. This crazy ass world is going insane. People trying to cover up all the pain. You're stronger than that, just break out of them chains, cause I hate to have to visit just your remains.